Just got the 11 a.m. National Hurricane Center update on Dorian. What do we see now?
That's correct, Evan. Just receiving new information into our weather office this morning. That update came out at 11 a.m. Now we're tracking the system with Doppler radar out of San Juan, Puerto Rico. What the hurricane hunters found this morning was a stronger tropical storm Dorian, and the radar presentation really represents that. You can see this tighter inner core that's been developing over the last few hours. Something else to note, we've been watching what was an expected northwest motion. That's still what's being represented by the National Hurricane Center, a northwest motion at 13 miles per hour. There's the center of circulation. It is slightly north of northwest, and because of that, the bulk of this system could actually miss Puerto Rico. The stronger side of the system, for sure, will be passing through the Virgin Islands and then farther off to the north and west from there. Right now, maximum sustained winds up to 70 miles per hour, so it's a high-end tropical storm. We're knocking on the door of becoming Hurricane Dorian at this point. That is the forecast track into the Bahamas, the northern parts of the Bahamas, where we're seeing now the possibility and the forecast of this becoming a major hurricane, a Category 3 hurricane by Sunday morning. Still a ton of uncertainty long-term regarding the track of this system. Average error at day 5, that's about 200 miles, and there's lower than normal forecast confidence in the long range with this system. So we're going to be watching Dorian very closely as we move on through the next several days. That's a look at Max Defender 8. Locally, you might have run into a couple downpours this morning. Pretty good coverage in an onshore flow, moving onshore from the Gulf of Mexico into our inland spots this afternoon. Nature Coast starting to dry out a bit. Some thunderstorms rolling through Luce, Temple Terrace, Pinellas County, especially the southern half of the county, seeing some spotty downpours. That's the case farther off to the south, too. I'll have much more on what you can expect locally into this afternoon, the rest of the week, and a complete update on Dorian coming up in a few minutes.